When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster.
All right, y'all. Today we've got a wild one. Judge Oakley is about to go toe-to-toe with this cocky stoner kid who's acting like he's the star of his own legal drama. His floating through life like laws are just suggestions, and spoiler alert, Judge Oakley isn't having any of it. This is the kind of courtroom wake-up call you only see once in a while. So stick around and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this guy is actually going to take the judge seriously? Or is he just going to walk out, spark one up, and keep it moving? Let's roll the tape.
Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job at Father's Avenue.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service shop at Holiday Inn, at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for double parking? Has it already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay, all right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay, all right. You got a driver's license?
Those
Yeah, transportation's gonna be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't need about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
I mean, it's not hard to tell, this dude has been baked since birth. Like, I wouldn't be shocked if the doctor delivered him and he hit a blunt right after. He's moving in slow motion, eyelids at half-mast, and rocking that classic I have no idea what's going on expression. Look, there's chill, and then there's courtroom stoned. And my guy is looking like he just ripped a gravity bong in the parking lot. It's giving high in public, but in court. What do you guys think? Is he really that far gone, or is this just how he is 24/7? Drop a comment and let me know.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
See,
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not?
I don't want to.
Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got fired, he should be able to get help.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and we have been, I guess he got here to
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean, I'm still.
That ain't even going to.
This man just said he makes $14,000 a year and would have gone to college if he didn't lose his job. That's like saying, I was gonna be a surgeon, but Taco Bell stopped scheduling me. Come on now. I honestly feel for him though, because let's keep it real, it's obvious this kid's never had a solid male role model in his corner. And you can see Judge Oakley gets that too. He's not just coming down hard, he's actually trying to talk some sense into him. But I don't know if it's getting through. The way this kid carries himself. He's not trying to hear anything from anyone, not teachers, not cops, not judges. And that's where the real problem starts.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Truth is, I don't think anything changes after this. He's probably going home, lighting up, and pretending none of this ever happened. And that's the sad part. So many young men out here are just drifting, no guidance, no direction, no real accountability. They're treating serious situations like a joke, like the judge is just gonna dap them up and send them on their way. But real life doesn't work like that. And Judge Oakley, he knows he's going to see this kid again, probably sooner than later. But hey, that's just my take. Should we feel bad for him, or is he just writing his own downfall? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you liked this, hit that like and subscribe, new uploads every single day. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Take care and stay solid out there.